Okay, this is the first meal in Boracay. This water is so freaking clear and clean. Like, I spent more money here in Boracay in the last 30 minutes than I spent during my entire stay in Calibo. Okay guys, I'm here at Jetty Port in Caticlan, Philippines, and I'm looking for a boat, or I'm looking for the tickets for the boat to take me to Boracay. So yeah, there's a lot of people here. I have no idea where to go, but when all else fails, always ask questions. Okay, before I can get a boat, I'm supposed to go to this registration and verification counter over here. And I guess after that, I can go to the ticketing booth and go over there to Boracay. Or at least that's what I think. I don't know. I'm just following what they're telling me. Okay, so after you get the registration card, then you have to go to this counter over here. So there are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 counters for you to go to, or 6 counters rather. You have to pay the terminal fee, environmental fee, boat ticket, and just 3. Yeah. So again, you have to pay the terminal fee, the environmental fee, and then you can buy your boat ticket. But first, make sure you always get your registration card. Okay, so make sure when you're getting on the boat that you get a seat number, because the seats are numbered, but the lady forgot to get me a seat number, so it was very confusing. So yeah, make sure you get a seat number when you get on the boat. Okay, so I made it here to Boracay Island. The boat ride was only about maybe 10 minutes, almost 15 minutes. And yeah, it was very calm, and just look at this place. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, so when you arrive on the island, you have to go look for a taxi. So you need to go out of the actual port area, and there will be like tricycles and I guess buses and things waiting to take you to your resort or hotel. So you just have to figure that out. And I suggest you do that before you get on the boat, because there are a lot of people coming to the island. So you're going to be fighting those people for tricycles and taxis. I mean, but really, have you seen anything more lovely, more gorgeous? Look at that water. That water is just crazy clear. Damn. I guess you have to get the Boracay sign in the vlog somewhere. You haven't been to Boracay until you get the big Boracay sign. Okay, at the same time, I got a private tricycle to take me to the hotel. So yeah, I could have saved some more money, but if you save money, you have to wait. And if you're on vacation, what do I always say? You save time, not money. Oh, Filipinos are so nice. This guy here is like giving me the thumbs up. Hey. Okay, I arrived finally at my hotel. This is the Summer Palace here in Boracay, and this place is amazing. As you can see behind me, just look at the pool, look at the view of the rooms. This is a great place to stay. Okay guys, so now we're out and looking for something to eat. The hotel was gracious enough to let us check in early, and Zach has been here many times, so I guess he's gonna be our leader for today. Yo, Zach, how do you feel about being here in Boracay, your favorite place in the Philippines?
I feel at home. I feel at ease. My favorite beach in the world is this white beach, Boracay, so it's nice to be here.
You heard it from the man himself. Okay, look at this beach. This is clean. Wow. Check this out.
See you again.
Bowls right here. Oh, the bowls?
See you again.
Right here. I can tell who's like Korean and who's not.
Yeah, you can tell.
Easily. Okay, this is the first meal in Boracay, and yo, it's pretty small. Like, I guess like here in the Philippines, you pay for what you get. Like, if something is cheap, that means you're gonna get a very small amount. What do you think? Yeah.
Word, bro.
Word. So we're gonna definitely get something later. Anyways, this is like chicken, onions. What's it called? It's called chicken.
Chicken sasig.
Chicken sasik. Let's go. Oh yeah, the portions were too small, so we had to get round number 2. There you go, Zach. Zach never eats all of his rice, so finally he understands. Give it to me, because I eat it all. Okay, so we just finished eating, and finally got some slippers. I was walking around the whole time in tennis shoes. My feet were burning hot. So now I gotta find a cap. I still haven't found a cap, so that's gonna be the next thing. Okay, so Boracay has a lot of places where you can buy anything you want, but these prices are like out of this world. They're basically like US prices. So if you're coming to Boracay, like, make sure you buy all of the stuff that you can, all the things that you need before you come here, because you're definitely going to be spending a lot of money. Like, I spent more money here in Boracay in the last 30 minutes than I spent during my entire stay in Calibo. So just keep that in mind. Oh, they got another Boracay sign. See? I knew there was gonna be another one in the city. We'll come back later, take photos here, because that backdrop is actually pretty cool.
Do it now while there's no people.
Oh, okay, Zach was like, yeah, we can just do it now since there is no people. I agree. So this place can fill up pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and take the photos now. Dang, this place is gorgeous. Yeah, I was just doing some B-roll and I just saw there's a McDonald's right there. So I guess we're gonna be going to McDonald's later. So everyone started asking Zach to take photos of them. So he's like, he's like the resident photographer for all of the tourists walking by. Wow, just so we came back to the beach, and it's just really cool. And wow, they got like this sandcastle here. Just look at that. I mean, it is a sparkling paradise. Like, really, it is truly amazing place to be. And look at those clouds in the distance over there on the rolling hills. Oh my god, just dang. This water is so freaking clear and clean. And excuse, I have an injury on my right foot from basketball, so the toenail was growing back, but yeah.
Look.
Man, this is amazing. Wait, I gotta roll up my pants. Can you hold this?
What if I drop it? Is it waterproof?
No, it's not. Never mind. Yeah, no. Man, I'm just like enjoying walking. This water is too clear. Yo, there's a fish. There's a fish in there. Can you see? Wow, wow, wow. Beach life. Little kid is playing. Amazing. Okay guys, so we went back to the hotel to get some towels, and now we're walking back to the beach. And can you imagine like having to walk through here at night by yourself to get to the beach? Pretty dodgy, but I think I can see light at the end of the tunnel. Literally and metaphorically. Okay, back at the beach. So we're gonna watch the sunset by just laying on the sand. Feels pretty good out here. And yeah, just pretty bright too, so I don't know if you guys can really see me, but and I still didn't find a cap.
Sir, maybe you like activity,
So-
sir?
Well, another thing that you have to be wary of is on the beach, of course, there are always like scalpers or people who want to sell you stuff. So, you know, it's their job. They're supposed to do that, but sometimes, you know, it can be quite annoying, abrasive. Like, I know you guys don't want to stare at me all day, but I just want to like show you how. Look at this. How cool this is. There are like so many people on the beach, just like sitting and enjoying themselves. Like no one's getting in trouble. No one's like trying to, you know, impress each other. They're just out enjoying life and just, you know, enjoying the sun, enjoying the waves. This is like, I don't actually, to be honest with you, I don't really like the beach that much, but when I come, I am reminded that the beach is like the great equalizer of humanity. Like when people come to the beach, everyone is pretty much the same because yeah, it's just people want to enjoy the weather, enjoy the water. So Zach went all the way out there. I don't want to go because like we left our stuff over there on that tree or under the tree over there, and there's like really no one or any kind of security to guard it. So I heard that in the Philippines, even though it's not like very dangerous, there are people who will take your stuff. So you have to be like very careful with leaving your things around unattended. Ain't that right, Zach? Say yeah. Okay, the sun is about to set. So this is the perfect time to be here at the beach, I was told, because the sunset is incredibly beautiful. And you can already see like the backdrop of everything against the colors, the intense colors of the sun. Like, wow, look at those sailboats over there. Damn, this place is just incredible. Really a paradise. Beautiful sunset. Okay, now it's time to go look for some dinner.